Na may rambutan, oh. Lychee daw. Rambutan to sa amin.
Yung lamig tumutusok sa aking organs.
Hindi mo ba alam na dati akong packer?
Oh, you're a mother packer na nga now.
Ang tagal po ng biyahe. Hindi ko in-expect. Kasi di ba, pag narinig mo yung Las Vegas, Los Angeles, sabi parang magkarapit lang sa parehong L.
It's a party in the USA! We need to finish eating here.
First honor. Sabi ko, react naman ng princess.
We went to Baguio to buy strawberries, cheesecake from New York.
Ate Aya, makita mo
So
yung...
good that I finish it bone to bone.
What food is the best? Sorry? What food is the best? Food? Yeah. Seafood. And we're gonna be running fever in this very small cage. Very small cage. We're gonna perform outside. Wow! We love surprises.
Ubus ng English ko.
So amazing! The pigeons is flying like this?
Meron kumakanta sa gilid, so kailangan mas magaling kami sa kanya. One we discovered here in LA, so let's go. Kakapala ko na yung mukha ko. I'm not Sheena. I'm not Sheena today. I am Shano.